Today, I'll show you how to add pages to PDF files. An online tool is a good choice for all platforms. Search for PDFgear in your browser. The official website of PDFgear offers many online PDF tools. Expand the Products section to view all these tools. Here is the Add Pages tool. To add pages to a PDF, upload your PDF here. You can select a PDF file from your device. On the left side of the page, you'll see a thumbnail view of your PDF. On the right side, you'll find all the available functions for this online tool. You can click the thumbnail to select a page. Then, choose the location to place the added pages. You can insert them before or after the selected page. Then, select a file to add to the PDF. For example, you can add another PDF to your existing PDF. The PDF has now been added after the second page. Now, you can export and download the PDF. Here is the PDF with the 2 pages we just added. Of course, other files can be added as new pages. If you want to continue adding pages from other PDFs, you can delete the exported files and upload new ones. Now, let's add an image to the PDF as a new page. The image will be added to the PDF as a new page without conversion. You can also adjust the location of the added page before exporting the new PDF. Here is the Undo button if you added the wrong file. Then, you can select a new file to add. PDFgear's online Add Pages tool also supports adding a blank page to your PDF. These are all the functions of the Add Pages to PDF online tool. PDFgear also offers apps for users. Windows users can download PDFgear from the official website. First, open the PDF with PDFgear. Select the Page tab to add pages to the PDF. Click Insert Pages to choose a file to add. For example, you can add blank pages to the PDF. Here you can set the paper size and orientation of the blank page, and choose the number and location of blank pages. This button is also for adding pages to the PDF. You can also add pages from one PDF to another. You can insert an entire PDF into the current one, or input page numbers here to select a specific range to add. You can choose to add the page to the beginning or end of the PDF, or insert it before or after the selected page. Images can also be added as pages in the PDF. Select an image, set the paper size, and choose the location to add it. It will then be added to the PDF as a new page. The PDFgear app can also add pages from a Word file to the PDF directly. You can select the pages and locations to add without conversion. Choose the page range and position to add. The Word file will be added as a PDF page. These are the pages we just added to this PDF. If you want to add more pages, you can continue to do so. This is how PDFgear for Windows can add pages to a PDF file, and the types of pages you can add. PDFgear for Mac devices can be installed from the App Store. Open the PDF and select the Page tab. You need to select the page first. Then, click the New Blank Page button to add a blank page after the selected page. You can also add pages from other files to the PDF. Click the Add Files button to select and add files. Here, you can change the page range you want to insert for each file. The pages will be added successfully. The buttons here can help you undo or redo your last action. This is how to add pages to PDFs using PDFgear on a Mac. PDFgear for iPhone and iPad can also add pages to PDFs. Open a PDF and click the Edit button. First, click Organize Pages. Select a page, then click the Insert button. Click Done to save the changes. The pages have been added to the PDF. These are the ways to add pages to PDF files with PDFgear. See you in the next video.